Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. And today we have a Temu unboxing. And look, I've been hunting down the website and look what I found, thanks to a massive shout out to Diamond Paints with TM, who very kindly sent me the link for this. I've been searching everywhere for this type of thing. And look, I finally got a fish pen with the gold towel. It's so exciting, and I've got a blue one on the way. There's this seller on Vinted that sells the specific colours, and I'm just over the moon because every time I order one of these, they always come with that bloody pink colour. So to finally get one with a gold towel is just so exciting. I think I paid 80p for that, but yeah, let's take a look at this. So I have got a blue one on the way as well. The blue one was a little bit more expensive. It was like £1.48, but I have to have it. I need the set. So let's take a look in here. So isn't that gorgeous? It's really shiny. And then as you can see, we've got blue, black or pink. It is. Oh yeah. Oh no. They've not got the oh great. Okay, well that's going to have to be reported on Temu then, because where's the, there's no thing on it. For God's sake. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. I'm really annoyed now because it's not down the shaft. There's supposed to be like a little gold thing, very similar to this, look. So I don't know how I'm supposed to paint with that. I'll be reporting that. Because there's no gold thing in it. I'm starting to, I'll be honest with you, it's definitely not down there, but I'll be honest with you, I'm really starting to get fed up with all these cheap things, because I'm not being funny, but I just find that all these cheap things just come either not intact or they're like breakable. I know a couple of us have had breakable wires. Some of the fellow channels that I watch get USB things and they're all broke, but how the heck, I mean, I can put one in there, but how can you send a pen with no thing on it? And we know that they have the gold ones because it's always a gold thing. You're not going to be able to do that. That's absolutely ridiculous. I'm absolutely gutted. Great. So no pen, can't do nothing for that. Oh well, I'll be reporting that and get my money back. Anyway, moving on. I hope my blue one's not like that. So this is another reason why I record the videos, is because if there's a problem with that order, I can go, right, well there you go, there's the video. It clearly, as you can see, I open it and that's how it is. So it's always good to record it because then you've got proof that it's come in that state. And Temu has like a review thing that you can upload like a photo or a video. So yeah, I'm not happy with that. They're going to get a 1 star for that. So, yeah. So in here I have got, see, that's what it's supposed to have, a little gold thing at the top. In here I have got this, look at this, isn't this gorgeous? 20x20 there, 14 drills. Now when I ordered this, it was coming up saying pre-order, but it actually got shipped like really quick. So it wasn't technically on pre-order, but they did say it was pre-order, but the next day it sort of shipped. And I really am getting quite fond of these 20x20s, which are really, really lovely colours. As you can see here, we have got ourselves the colours. So let's take a look in here. I'm getting quite fond of this 20x20 size, so really happy with that. I've got one for Lazy Retired Granny coming up in a minute, because she likes these types of paintings. So the next one that I show is to be prepared to see that, Linda. Hello Martin, it's Linda. Couldn't resist that, from Little Britain. So yeah, lovely colours here. Dark, oh look, sunny, stormy, shore colours there, look. Dark blue, light blue, pink, all sorts of lovely colours here. Really, really gorgeous, as you can see. So really, really lovely. And that's them ones. And I think that's all the colours. Yeah, it is, so that's pretty good. Put that over to one side. Okay, this one, I was inspired by Lazy Retired Granny to get this one because she's always painting in the garden with Ella, her little dog. And I just thought this was just reminded me of her channel. So this is the one I got. And it's a 30x40, some standard sort of colours. And yeah, in here we have a really posh one. You know, I said I wanted to sort of steer away from animals. Well, this one's a really gorgeous one because we have this. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. 30 times 40. It's like this. It's like someone's painting from their living room and they've opened the front doors of the patio. And we've got a little boat there, a chair with some flowers on it. You've got that lovely cliff top roof, which is really gorgeous indeed. And then you've got a few cherries on the vine there, or flowers going around here. It's probably flowers actually going around there. And then you've just got that lovely sea with the details. I mean, the clouds are really detailed. That's absolutely gorgeous. But I like the fact that it's a little boat. That indicates that perhaps this owner owns the boat, and then whenever they want to, they just venture off out to their little thing. But I saw that and I really, really liked it. It was on Amazon, but I got it cheaper through Temu, which is brilliant. So yeah, I really, really thoroughly enjoyed this. Absolutely fantastic. So anyway, that's that. So in honour of Lazy Retired Granny there, she made me get that one. I really liked it. Because she always does like paintings in the garden sometimes. I normally paint in the garden, normally when it's summer, but I just haven't had the chance to do that this year, so maybe when it gets a bit cooler. Could you imagine painting in the winter in the garden? You could do it, like just get yourself a hot drink. It wouldn't probably last very long because the cold temperature, and then just put your woolly jacket on, lovely. So, or painting in the snow. Oh yes. And then as you can see here, really, really good. Teal, light blue there. Oh, dark green. Don't get that very often. Some really lovely ones in this. Oh, that's my bedroom wall colour. Yeah, man. And yeah. Oh, look, Julie, there's one for you, Sunny Stormy. Lovely, lovely colours. This marble sort of slate grey. And there we go, Julie, just for you. Look at that. Your beautiful colours of your bedroom. That's Sunny Stormy's bedroom colour. So when she showed me a picture, I was like, oh my god, I've got jewels like that. And then as you can see, you've got the lilac, blue and teal. So really, really lovely. And yeah, this is really, really lovely. So let me know what one's your favourite. I'm really, really annoyed with the fact that that pen's come like that. I don't know whether... Let me just see if I can... I've got an idea. If I pull this out, I might be able to pull that out and put that in there, because that's what it's supposed to have. It's supposed to have that gold bit in there. So let's see if I can just gently prise that out, and then I can try and put that into there if I can. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to have, look. That's perfect now. Yeah. Whoops. I mean, I'm still going to get a refund, because at the end of the day, that should have came with it. I shouldn't have to, like, replace it, but we might have to put a bit of super glue in that, because as you can see, it's really, really loose there. So I might have to, I'll tell you what I'll do, is I will, let me get some super glue here, and we'll try and just do a modification on this. Trouble is with this, it gets seized up. Oh, I hate it when this happens, just bear with me. Blimey. Trouble is this lid tilts, and when it tilts, it puts the glue to the end, and then it's harder to pull it on. But what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of, this is a gel glue, and what I'll do is I'll try not get my hand stuck here, but I'll just put a blob around that. I don't think it's going to burn the plastic, but you know, that's why it's always good. Some creators like to keep the gold bits, because when you're diamond painting, if you're pushing very hard, it can dent the side of the pens up. So I tend to keep some of these, but that's how it should have been. But yeah, if you ever get a pen like this and you're missing the gold bit, all you need to do is just take it out of these cheap crappy ones, and then you can put it into there and it will sort it out. I'm really pleased that's pink though and not black. But yeah, I think that's good as new now. So but yeah, I will still report that, because I'm not happy with that. That should have come with one. I'm paying for the pen to come with everything with it, and it's, as I said, it's definitely not in there. So I would have thought it might have fell down that shaft, but it's not in there. But we've made it, you know, salvageable. And yeah, so I might let that dry actually, because if a bit seeps into there, we'll never get the lid off. But yeah, so that's that. So as I said, if you want to get this I will try and put the links in for the products coming in, so that you guys can click on the links and then get them for yourself. But yeah, really, really happy with this. Let's hope that my blue one comes with that gold bit in. But we've saved it, so it's really, really good. But please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.